Say something. Say something. What's your name? What's your name?
Were you a cop or something? That's what you are. That's what you used to be, undercover cop.
Okay, and what do you think I'm doing? Okay, what do you think I'm doing right now? What the hell? Does dog got her head stuck?
What? Stop.
Okay, so what do you think I did? What do you think I said to Chris?
Something evil and conniving, I told you.
And what makes you think I'm sneaky?
You're just a sneaky person.
How am I a sneaky person?
No.
You don't know.
I don't know about sneaky people because I'm not a sneaky person.
You're not a sneaky. You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Excuse me. Yeah, no. Don't videotape me.
This is just stupid. Okay, so you were gonna wait. Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
Huh?
Find the phone.
I have a phone, don't worry.
Let's see the phone.
No.
Let me see it on camera.
No. I'm being sneaky like you.
There's a
You
dog.
don't like that. See, now you know how I am.
Put your hair out.
No.
Let's see the troll. Let's see the troll. Come on.
You know what's funny? I have like the same skin color as those trolls and I have my belly button pierced.
Oh my god.
So you're a troll now?
No.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a black troll?
Can we call you a troll?
No.
Can we call you Keisha Troll?
This can't be.
Call you KT.
He's the troll.
Hi, dog. Okay. Why are we laughing?
How come she doesn't get videotaped and I do?
I don't want to be videotaped.
She doesn't like being videotaped. Okay, I'm done.